wá nítorí olè pààyàn nígbà tí àwọn Fúlàní ń pààyàn ń gàngàn lẹ́yìn igbó ọ̀rọ̀ àtẹ̀rúwà gbà wọ́n láyè láì tẹ́ máa gbà wọ́n láyè láì kẹ́ ẹ̀ lé wọn kọ́ ọmọ bá ti wọn lọ nítorí pé fámìlì yìí ní gàngàn tó ń pa fámìlì yìí lọ́ba gàngàn tó ń jọ́ ọmọ rẹ̀ gbé tó ní gbogbo wa fámìlì yìí ní Abóròdé ọmọ yìí l'Abóròdé tó pa ọ̀yẹ́ kẹ́ gbà wọ́n láyè kán dúró lu yìnyẹn mọ́ rárá wọ́n mọ lọ kán kò lóko gbogbo Ìbàràpá méjèèjì ni bọ̀ ó jọ mí lójú pé àwọn Fúlàní tó ń gbé ní Gbóòrà wọ́n ń gbé ní Èrúwà wọ́n ń gbé Láyétẹ̀ wọ́n tún gbé ìyàwó ọba Gbóòrà yàtọ̀ mú ẹ̀ wọ́n ní kọ́ lọ gbé ìyàwó ọba Gbóòrà ò lè sọ̀rọ̀ sókè ẹ sì tún wà nǹkan ọmọ gbèlú tó jẹ́ nǹkan tó kọ́kọ́ mú mi fẹ́ tí nǹkan kọ́ fẹ́ dà sí mọ́ kọ́dà mẹ́fà àwọn bàbá wa yẹn ń gbàbọ̀dẹ̀ fún wa ń bẹ̀ yẹn because ẹ̀yin lẹ́yìn dúró yìí nìsín mo dẹ̀ fi ń dá yín lójú yín pé ẹ̀yin bàbá wa mọ́ sàláàfin yín kò sí ìjọba kankan tó lè yọ yín ẹ ti dóye náà ládásìkò ti wà yìí táwọn ń jẹ́fẹ́ tọ́ wà yìí kò sí ẹnì kankan ìjọba kankan ò lè yọ yín nípò yín ẹ má jẹ́ ní kankan dẹ́rùbà yín fíìmù náà ń ṣe kọ́tà ẹ̀ kágbá ẹgbẹ́ ìjọba kan lóye bì kan tíjọba yàrá ní kábọ̀ lórí ẹ̀tọ́ yín lẹ wà fún àwọn ọ̀dọ́ lẹ jọba lé lórí àwọn tó ń pa lẹ jọba lé lórí àwọn ọ̀dọ́ tó ń pa yẹn àtàwọn ìyàwó tó ń pa tó ń rè àwọn lẹ jọba lé lórí kì í ṣe pé jọba lé jọba lórí ẹ̀yin bàbá wa ní kẹ́ sọ́pọ́ọ̀tì wa ká gba ẹ̀tọ́ yín fún yín lọ́wọ́ ìjọba ká gba ẹ̀tọ́ yín fún yín lọ́wọ́ Fúlàní ewúrẹ́ ọ̀sán fún ọ̀sán mọ̀ ìyá àgùntàn níyàwó òbí dúdú àṣìlá àbá Fúlàní ṣe mọ́kànmọ́ bá tiwọn lọ enough is enough why nísìn Fúlàní ń pa ẹ̀ ní gángan sójà ò wá bẹ̀ ọlọ́pàá ò wá bẹ̀ ìgbà tí wọ́n gbọ́ pé Sunday Igboho gbéra wọ́n fẹ́ lọ gbìjà àwọn fámìlì ẹ̀ ní gángan wọ́n kó ọkọ̀ sójà bíi 20 wọ́n ní kó máa mọ́nítọ̀ mi bọ̀ sójà ti bòbá di gbogbo gàgán sí wọ́n ti bòbá di everywhere torí pé Sunday Igboho ti gbéra wọ́n ti gbọ́ pé mo ti gbéra ń bàdàn pé lílọ tí mò ń lọ yìí o Fúlàní ò ní dín rẹ̀ wò mọ́ wọ́n ti kó fún sójà ẹgbẹ́ everywhere sójà ti bòbá di everywhere tó wọ́n mọ̀ pé mo ṣe ń bọ̀ yẹn wọ́n mọ̀ pé bí mo ṣe ń bọ̀ yẹn wàhálà ni sẹ́rí pé Fúlàní ní control wa ẹ̀dẹ̀ gbọ́ pé wọ́n pa àwọn bàbá wa níjọ́ sátidé mọ́júmọ́ Sunday wá gbìjà wa sójà wà ní bọ́dà Ìgàngàn táwọn Fúlàní fi wọ̀gbọ̀rọ̀ tó ń kọ́ mọ́tò wọ̀gbọ̀rọ̀ tó ń pa ẹ̀ tó ń sunlé ọba tó ń sunlé epo wọn ò disturb wọn wọ́n sun ààfin ọba Ìgàngàn wọ́n pa ẹ̀ rẹpẹtẹ bíi 50 people ńlú ìlú kan ìjọba ọ̀sán kankan àwa agbéra ń sì pé tó a fẹ́ lọ físítọ̀ Fúlàní tó dẹ́rọ ẹ̀wò wọn kó sójà ní kọ́mọlé wa lọ tẹ́rí pé bàbá gbọ́dọ̀ ṣera yín lọ́kàn kẹ́ẹ̀dẹ̀ àwọn ọ̀dọ́ tẹ ẹwò ló ń àbálẹ̀jọba ní lórí èyí lẹ́ni wá ẹmọ bẹ̀rù kò sí ẹni tó lè gbéná ojú ẹkùn yín láì sáwó ajá ò ní dógún ẹkùn láìláì ó sèwé tíjọba kẹ bá dẹ́rọ̀ òtárà ló bá ya jáde ìjọba kí ni wọ́n lè ṣe èmi lè ní wọn ò lè ṣe kankan àwa ni wọ́n làwọn ń pè àwọn ìjọba nígbà tí àwọn táwa tẹ̀mí mọ̀ tí mo gbọ́njú ẹ̀yin ọba lẹ̀ ń pàṣẹ kìí ṣe gómìnà kìí ṣe alága kánsù ẹ̀yin bàbá wa ilẹ̀ ń pàṣẹ lẹ́yìn Ọlọ́run ọba lọ́kàn tí aláàfin fún ọba yìí aláṣẹ kejì òrìṣà kábíyèsí tí bàbá mi Lámídì tó bá lóun gbẹ́sẹ̀ léyàwó gómìnà gbàgà n ò bí gómìnà dákọ sọ̀rọ̀ ṣùgbọ́n kò gbọdọ̀ ń dẹ́rẹ́ wo ní ìṣe alága kánsù ní oníkọlọ àrẹ́sì bàbá lẹ́yìn tí ọ̀dọ̀ yẹ kó rí bẹ́ẹ̀ ọ̀yẹ́ kó rí bẹ́ẹ̀ so kọ́lọ́run jẹ́ mi wá ọmọ ẹ̀mí ogun fún wa kọ́lọ́run jẹ́ kẹ́mi ti wá ní ogun fún yín ẹ kó wa jẹ̀pẹ́ ẹ kó wa délẹ̀ lérí ó ti dópin báyìí ohun tí mo fẹ́ sọ ni pé gbogbo ibi táwọn Fúlàní yìí bá wà bí ẹ jẹ́ káwọn ọmọ àwọn bọ́dà mi ó sì sọ̀fí ọmọ sọ́fí gbogbo bẹ̀ ẹ wá sọ̀gbà tí màá wá púlọ̀sì wọn fún mi àwa púlọ̀sì wọn dà tí ò rújú rárá ẹ mọ́ gbà wọ́n láyè tẹ rí nǹkan tí wọ́n mọ̀ fún yín yẹn tẹ bá káwọn ọmọ tẹ bí tẹ jọba lé lórí síbẹ̀ wọ́n ó fún yín jù bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ nǹkan tí Fúlàní ọmọ fún yín yẹn tẹ bá kó àwọn ọmọ yín síbẹ̀ pé ẹ mọ lọ wákùsà yẹn ẹ mọ lọ gbọ́ góòdì yẹn Fúlàní make 100 million naira every week lórí góòdì tó ń gbẹ níbí báyìí èmi mo sọ fún yín bẹ́ẹ̀ wọ́n làwọn make 100 million every week tẹ bá ká àwọn ọmọ ọ̀dọ́ síbẹ̀ wọ́n mọ dúpẹ́ lọ kábíyèsí bí wọ́n ti ẹ̀ mórí ẹlẹ́dàá tí wọ́n mọ sàdúrà fẹ́yìn ìgbà yóò tù wá lára ìgbà yóò tù wá lára ẹ pẹ́ lórí tẹ bàbá yín ẹ pẹ́ ń bẹ̀ ju bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe lò lọ ẹ pẹ́ pẹ́ kábíyèsí torí pé ẹnu ọmọ ọgbà yá pàdé mọ́ kọ̀sí kẹ́kẹ́ tá a lè ṣe fún jókòó káwọn sọ pé pẹ́ náà nà sọ́wọ́ náà sọ pé ọlọ́run fún yín lówó ni àbá sọ pé torí bẹ́ẹ̀ ti jọba tí ìbá fún àwọn ìjọba tó bá kẹjẹ orí kò tẹ́ wà yìí ẹ ti dolówó ẹ ti dọlọ́lá ẹ ti di gbogbo nǹkan láyé ìgbà táwọn bàbá wa ń mọ ọjà sọba wọn mọ pé táwọn bá ti jọba gbogbo agbára ti dọ́wọ́ àwọn àṣẹ ti dẹnu owó ti dé ọ̀rọ̀ ti dé agbára ti dé bọ̀ nísìn wọ́n ní kí àwọn bàbá wọn lọ rí alága kanṣu gbọ́dọ̀ sọ pé kébì gan wáyé wà rí mi lé
kábíyèsí
mo fi Ọlọ́run tó ní ẹ̀mí mi mo fi búra fún yín mo fi Ọlọ́run tó rán mi wálé ayé búra Ọlọ́run rán mi wálé ayé tí gómìnà bá ní kí n wá mo lè sọ pé mi ò wá nígbà tí o sì ń kẹ̀kẹ́ nígbà tí èmi wá gbowó lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ tí sẹ́nitọ̀ tí ọ̀ràn ní sí àwọn bàbá wa pé ẹ rí wa sẹ́nitọ̀ ọkọ̀ Ìgbòho ń bò ní bọ̀ ń lé ní o èmi Àdìsọ́mọ Aládìkún jẹ́ ọba tí àṣẹ ń bẹ lọ́wọ́ yín tírùkẹ̀rẹ̀ ń bẹ lọ́wọ́ yín tírùkẹ̀rẹ̀ ọ̀pẹ lọ́wọ́
dágbóòdù bàbá dábì
ìsàlẹ̀ fún bàbá mi kádé ọpẹ́ lórí sà ẹ ṣe ẹ pè àwọn ọlọ́dẹ kan ṣe investigation gbogbo ibi tí àwọn òrè Fúlàní wà fún gbòǹbì ẹ wá sọgbà tẹ ẹ fẹ́ kí wà fún mi à lé wọn dànù tá a bá dẹ̀ ti lé wọn tán lílé tá a bá lé wọn tán à ń yan àwọn ọlọ́dẹ tí wọ́n mọ̀ sọ àtúbọ̀lù à wà bówó sí wọn dákò wọn láì jẹ́ bá gbà lọ́wọ́ ìjọba à níjọba ọ̀bá rẹ̀ wá lọ́wọ́ à rìn ra wa lọ́wọ́ à pè àwọn ẹ̀gbọ́n wa ń lo èbò wọn rẹ̀ wá lọ́wọ́ à mọ̀ fún àwọn tí wọ́n mọ̀ sọ àtúbọ̀lù lówó nígbà bá ti lé wọn lọ tán à ń yan àwọn ọlọ́dẹ tó gbójú à ra ọ̀pá fún wọn kọ́ mọ dó láti wọ̀lú táwọn ògbójú ọdẹ tó dáa èyí tí á búra fún wọn á dẹ̀ so oògùn bọ́ tó dájú fún wọn tí èsè fíìmù á wà nìkan mọ sọ́ọ̀lù wa fún wa bíjọba ọba fún wa security ẹja ṣe security fúnra wa ó ti dẹ́kun bá ti débi hùn ó fẹ́ yọ ẹ̀yin bàbá ní kíní kan ń bẹ ní bó ti ń dún màúrù màúrù kíní kan kò sínú bó ti ń dún màúrù màúrù ìbẹ̀rù Ọlọ́run ni àwọn ọlọ́dẹ ń dára ní kábíyèsí bó ti ń dún ẹ̀sà kàbùdà lábẹ́ kíní kan kò sínú bó ti ń dún màúrù ìbẹ̀rù Ọlọ́run lásán ni
káàbọ̀ òòṣà
Ọlọ́run tó dẹ̀ ní wá òun lọ́mọ̀gbàtà wáyé òun lọ́mọ̀gbàtà lọ tá a bá ti lè délé ayé ta kọ́lé kan ta ra mọ́tò kan àti ní gate àti ní profit torí pé bàtà ń bọ̀ lọ́rùn àmú nǹkan kan wá tá a bá dẹ̀ ń lọ àwọn bàbá wa Anísẹ́kọ́lá àwọn bàbá wa Abíọ́lá wọn ò mú nǹkan kan padà bàbá wa Olówó ò mú nǹkan kan lọ nǹkan tá a níyẹn ẹ jẹ́ ká support ara wa ká gbìjà ara wa ká gbára lọ́wọ́ Fúlàní agbénipa.
So guys, this man has spoken well, he has spoken well. He's telling all the leaders, do the right thing. Do the right thing. And he was explaining how the soldiers, of course, that is what we have known. The security agencies, when people are going through some stuff, especially when it's as regards to Fulani Esme, you will not see police, you will not see soldiers. But once they know that the people want to go on a reprisal mission, that is when they will now come out to deprive you. What does that tell one? And he's encouraging the monarchs. Why are you guys afraid? Is there anybody that is going to let you to remove you from that place? Because as he was speaking with the monarch inside, there was a lot of people were outside waiting for him. And he said the king should just look outside. That if they remove them, or if any government removes them unjustly, do you think that these people will not rally around you? And he was still blaming some of the communities in that area when they chased away that Seriki of Fulani in Oyo, that Saliu, or what he calls himself, that a lot of them fled. That why should those people, the other community, accommodate these people? Because that is where they are. They are now strategizing from there to go and strike. The first time that he said he came to pursue the Seriki Fulani in that Igogon, at the end of the day, before you know, they just lost control. But when this whole thing happened again, for him to go there, the police and everybody, they've taken over. And according to what we are hearing, and from what Sunday Igboho was talking about there, that when that incident was happening, when that incident was going on, that the particular place that Igogon, that incident took place, it's not far from where the checkpoint where police or the soldiers were. And it was that same place those people came with how many was it motorbikes or Elos? Are they going to tell us even why they were shooting? You know, this whole thing, you just know that there's conspiracy. Everything is just shrouded in secrecy. Up to today, it's going to be 1 week tomorrow that this incident happened. Up to today, we have not heard anything. Even the government has not said anything. It was 20 people, 30 people, even if it is one person, that everybody is crying. That is to tell you, Buhari, they know what they are doing. They know what they are doing. Of course, the kind of statement or the kind of response he gave to Governor Otom, that you know what to do. Why are you calling me? Because you don't want to align yourself with the national program they have on ground. And like from what Buhari has said now, that he believes that the grazing routes that has not been, or that has been closed before now, that is what is giving them problem, because they don't want to, they believe that they don't want to accept Fulani. If Buhari can be telling us that NSAS was the protest of NSAS was because of him, for him to be removed, then what is he not going to think about? What is he not going to think about? He has already said it. Give them land. Femi Adesina once told Nigerians, especially Benue people, you are holding on to your land. Is land more than your life? That was what they said. Meaning, to them, they have proffered solutions, but you guys refuse to take the solution they've proffered. So what else do you want them to do? And that is the meaning of the silence we are getting from the presidency. But when you hear, when people talk about evicting them, they will talk. They will talk. Let Sunday Igboho go to another place where Fulani Esme are residing. You will hear that the presidency will speak out. They will break silence. So for how long are we going to continue like this? It's a very, very bad omen. Very, very bad omen. The man is even frustrated. He's frustrated. Even the monarch there. Yeah, and unfortunately, okay, let's even assume that it was just maybe regular people, which is not supposed to be in the first place. Even if it is only one person that such incident happened, the government is supposed to do the needful. Of course, Buhari said it that the governors should go and take care of their places. But a monarch's palace was burnt down, and he had to run. The monarch had to run for his dear life. So it's not enough for the presidency to speak about it, even if the state governor has come to talk about it. Is it not enough for the presidency not to talk about it? Of course, there's no need to look far. Buhari has made his stand known, and that is what he stands for. Even if he does not speak again, Nigerians already know the stuff is made of and what the kind of mindset he has for Nigerians. I think by now nobody should be expecting him to say anything. So everyone is just frustrated.